Are you ready to engage a simple exercise technique that's been flying under the radar but holds incredible untapped potential for transforming your upper body strength and overall well-being? Imagine just hanging from a bar each day, and reaping a multitude of benefits that remain largely untold. Get ready to unlock the secrets of dead hangs, an underrated and highly effective exercise that targets your muscles, improves your grip strength, enhances your posture, and even provides mental clarity. I've got my experience to share with you on my empowering journey with 10 minutes of dead hangs. Watch till the end to learn the untold benefits of this exercise and my amazing experience. Dead hangs refer to an exercise technique where an individual hangs from a bar with their arms fully extended and their feet off the ground. The exercise primarily targets the muscles of the upper body, including the back, shoulders, arms, and grip. Dead hangs are often performed as a static hold, without any swinging or additional movement. Dead hangs can be highly effective for several reasons and highly recommended by experts. Principally, they engage multiple muscle groups concurrently, making them a compound exercise. This means that dead hangs provide a comprehensive workout for the upper body, helping to develop strength, endurance, and stability in the targeted muscles. One of the reasons why dead hangs are considered underrated and effective is their ability to improve grip strength. Hanging from a bar challenges the muscles in the forearms, hands, and fingers, which are essential for various activities such as weightlifting, rock climbing, and even daily tasks like carrying groceries. By consistently performing dead hangs, individuals can significantly enhance their grip strength, leading to better overall performance in these activities. Additionally, dead hangs are a low-impact exercise that puts minimal stress on the joints. Unlike exercises such as pull-ups or rows that involve movement, dead hangs allow for a period of rest for the joints while still engaging the muscles. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with joint issues or those who need to reduce the impact on their upper body. Another advantage of dead hangs is their potential to improve posture. The exercise targets the muscles of the upper back, which are often weakened or neglected due to prolonged periods of sitting or poor posture. Dead hangs help to strengthen these muscles, leading to improved posture and reduced risk of back pain or injury. Performing dead hangs daily can yield several untold benefits. Firstly, they can help decompress the spine and relieve tension in the lower back. Hanging from a bar elongates the spine and stretches the muscles of the back, which can be particularly beneficial for individuals who spend long hours sitting or have a sedentary lifestyle. Moreover, dead hangs can improve shoulder mobility and flexibility. The exercise stretches the muscles and connective tissues around the shoulder joint, promoting better range of motion and reducing the risk of shoulder injuries. This can be especially valuable for athletes involved in sports that require overhead movements, such as swimming, tennis, or throwing. Lastly, dead hangs can also provide mental benefits. The exercise requires focus and concentration, and hanging can be meditative for some individuals. Taking some good seconds each day to perform dead hangs can serve as a form of active relaxation, helping to reduce stress, improve mental clarity, and promote a sense of well-being. Step-by-step description of how to go about dead hangs. To perform an effective dead hang, follow these step-by-step instructions. Find a sturdy bar. Look for a secure bar that can support your body weight. This could be a pull-up bar at the gym, a playground bar, or even a door-frame pull-up bar at home. Ensure that it is at a comfortable height for you to hang from without your feet touching the ground. Warm up. Before starting the dead hang, it's essential to warm up your upper body. Perform a few arm circles, shoulder rolls, and gentle stretches to loosen up the muscles. Stand beneath the bar. Position yourself directly underneath the bar, facing it. Ensure that you have enough space to fully extend your arms without any obstructions. Grasp the bar. Reach up and grip the bar with an overhand grip, slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Your palms should be facing away from you, and your fingers should securely wrap around the bar. Engage your core. Before lifting your feet off the ground, engage your core muscles by pulling your belly button in towards your spine. This will help maintain stability throughout the dead hang. Lift your feet off the ground. With a firm grip on the bar, gently lift your feet off the ground and let your body hang freely. Your arms should be fully extended, and your shoulders should be relaxed. Relax and breathe. Allow your body to relax into the hang position and focus on your breathing. Take slow, deep breaths to help you stay calm and centered. Maintain proper form. During the dead hang, pay attention to your form. Keep your shoulders down and away from your ears, and avoid shrugging or tensing your neck. This will help prevent unnecessary strain. Hold the position. Aim to hold the dead hang for a total of 10 minutes. If you're just starting out, you can begin with shorter durations and gradually increase the time as you build strength and endurance. Listen to your body. While it's important to challenge yourself, it's equally vital to listen to your body's signals. If you experience excessive discomfort or pain, gradually lower yourself down and give yourself a break. Over time, as your strength improves, you'll be able to extend the duration of your dead hangs. Cool down and stretch. Once each dead hang task is completed, gently lower yourself down from the bar and allow your body to cool down. Perform some stretching exercises, focusing on the muscles that were engaged during the dead hang, such as your shoulders, back, and forearms. Remember, consistency is key. Aim to incorporate 10 minutes of dead hangs into your daily routine. Over time, you'll begin to experience the untold benefits of improved grip strength, enhanced posture, increased shoulder mobility, and a sense of mental well-being. So, hang tight and enjoy the transformative power of this simple yet highly effective exercise. How I achieved my epic 10-minute dead hang challenge, defying gravity and redefining success. I embarked on this journey to defy gravity and challenge conventional success. In a world valuing external achievements, I sought a different path. Daily, for months, I committed to the 10-minute dead hang, the cornerstone of my transformation. Gripping the bar taught me perseverance. It required mental fortitude. I pushed through doubt. Beyond the physical, it sparked inner transformation. Dead hang showed the power of consistency, discipline, and surpassing limits. A metaphor for life. Through it, I discovered inner resilience. Challenges became growth opportunities. I embraced discomfort, knowing it fuels growth. Hanging there, my grip tightening, I felt liberated. I redefined success on my own terms. It wasn't about accolades or material achievements, it was the strength within. Above the gym, this strength impacted my life. I pursued passions fearlessly. The 10-minute dead hang empowered my existence. Others found inspiration in my journey. I motivated them to defy gravity, redefining success and embark on empowering paths. I started with short intervals, aiming for 30 to 40 seconds of hanging. It was a struggle, but I knew I had to persist. After 10 days of consistent effort, I celebrated a major milestone, hanging for a full minute. It was a victory that boosted my confidence and fueled my determination. Each day, I added a few more seconds, gradually building up to 1:30 to 2 minutes of continuous hanging, partitioning the remaining time into manageable intervals. At the end of a month, I achieved a significant breakthrough, hanging for a solid 3 minutes. It was a testament to my unwavering commitment and progress. As the days went by, my strength grew exponentially. In 50 days, I reached 4 minutes, and by the 60th day, I conquered the 5-minute milestone with an extra 5-minute partition. The final stretch was challenging, but I persevered. In 70 days, I hung on for a remarkable 7 minutes, feeling my body and mind push beyond their previous limits. On the 90th day, I achieved the monumental goal of 10 minutes in a row. The sense of accomplishment, the feeling of defying gravity, achieving success and the transformation within myself were beyond words. My epic 10-minute dead hang challenge taught me the power of persistence, resilience, and the ability to surpass even my own expectations. In conclusion, the 10-minute dead hang challenge goal is achievable with daily dead hang exercise, just like how I persistently achieved mine within 90 days engaging daily. It was indeed a catalyst for redefining success in my life. It goes beyond physical strength and encompasses mental fortitude, resilience, and personal growth. Make a choice to engage in this magical exercise today. Keep following me for more interesting, inspirational and educational content. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure to like and share with your family and friends.